Guys, a little bit dusty, but I need to put this in the cellophane. Anyway, guys, I got this from the thrift store before, and got it for cheap. And they are together. These two teapots and these six cups. This one I got this separate. This is like a wooden tray. So when I find this one, it's like, oh, that's gonna have this. They have the same color anyway. So perfect for the tea sets, And I think this is like a vintage, and I don't know if it's like a Japanese. I just wait. I need to zoom in, guys. Let me know if this is Japanese. I don't know how to read this. It's like really built well. They're kind of small, but it's really cute. And this one has that little rock thing for jade. I'm gonna put them in separate cellophane. This one you can close it. But anyway, the inside kinda cute. I don't think I washed this one yet, but isn't that cute? There's like a name outside right here. Oh, like a not name, but it's like a stamp in it. It's similar, but it's like really built well. They're so cute. Inside, it's pretty in person. See, built well. Pop. And then this. Oh yeah, there's like a little stamp in here too. I did not do my nails yet, guys. And all the flea market items, the one before in the flea market, when it's in the van, so we put all in the basement. And I thought I have a heart attack because I'm not used to up and down the steps. So anyway, but it's kind of, what you call this, then all the stuff now, guys. I'm just hope maybe tomorrow I'm going to the basement again, but I need to organize because I think I want to have like a yard sale or something like that. And I need to put some tag. I learned if you have a yard sale, you need to have like, some stickers in it, like prices, because it's easier. Because it's like when I did flea market and everybody's asking, it kinda, your mind are just like nice to have, finish it, you put tag in the items. And this one, guys, is so cute. 2, 4, 6, and I'm gonna put this in that Ziploc bag, a sandwich bag again, cellophane, so that you don't. Maybe I wrap this one too. And the tray, we'll see first. I don't wanna smack my hopefully I don't chip it. But anyway, this one, guys, is kinda nice. It God, may God bless you. So there's like each right there. And the one is the back. So they're just perfect for the tea set. There's a coconut in it. It's really cute. Yeah, I'm sure you can use this one. I think this is like built for it. So I never really do that tea thing. So but I think I just need to wash this, guys. A little bit dusty because I photo over there for a while. So, okay, see you later.